Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to organize content and manage permissions in Miro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Miro, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Organizing content and managing permissions in Miro are crucial for maintaining an efficient and collaborative workspace. Because here in Miro, basically organized content helps team members quickly understand the structure and purpose of the board. For example, this one, improving clarity and focus on the task at hand. Because by grouping related information and using frames, you minimize visual clutter, making it easier to navigate and work efficiently. Now, what I wanted to do is go to the Miro homepage. There's going to be a section on the dashboard that says projects. All right. Now, projects are accessible only on the upgraded plan. Okay. But the thing is, the idea is in one project, you can put in so many boards inside it. And once you have opened on the specific boards, you can, of course, put in the proper organization for better management of tasks and project, ensuring that all elements are in the appropriate places and phases. For example, I'm working with the Andes and I wanted to make this board private. All right, because I just wanted this board accessible only to me because the board is not yet final and I'm working with some of the elements and structures and data as well, so I can streamline the information when presenting this board to the new team, to your new client, to your new multiple freelancers with a structured and easily navigatable board. All right. Of course, before you can upgrade this one, or before you can make the board private, you need to upgrade. Similarly, on the projects, if you wanted to put in the and organize the books here, you might want to click on the projects so that you can put it in one place. But the thing is, if you click on the projects, you need to upgrade to the starter plan, the business, and enterprise. Because once you have availed the starter plan, you can unlock unlimited and private boards, as we have discussed earlier, with essential features, and that is, using the projects so you can organize content efficiently. All right. Now, for example, this one, you wanted this as the board for the team members to quickly find and use information, which enhances the overall productivity and efficiency. All they're going to do is click on the three dots button here, and you see there's going to be an option that says share. Now, on the share level, of course, you can manage permissions to control who can view, all right, who can edit sensitive information, who can comment, ensuring that the confidential data remains secure. Of course, you have the option to restrict editing rights to prevent unauthorized changes or alterations to important content. You see, you can also put in the emails here on the section, the search bar. You can invite from Slack, from Google or Microsoft. And after doing so, you would be able to assign the right permissions to ensure that team members have the access they need to contribute without overstepping boundaries. Now, another option is just go to the board itself, and there's going to be an option here at the top where it says share. It's the same process as we did earlier. But if in case you encounter any problems along the way, like the share button or the this one, the invite button is not working or missing, you might want to go to the Miro Contact Us option. Or you can simply go to the Miro Help Center, type in your questions to see if you get an answer. There's going to be a lot of articles that you can check into to get insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you are encountering any problems organizing your content and managing permissions on your Miro app. All right. Otherwise, there's going to be a section here that says troubleshooting and technical questions. If you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them your problem and they could give you insights to fix the problem. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. All right. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to stay updated with all the latest content. I'll see you in the next guide.